Here are 5 important updates in web development, Next.js, and AI you should not miss today as this.
First way, Next.js Server Actions are becoming default. You can now handle backend logic without creating separate APIs. Cleaner and faster development.
Second of all, AI agents are now building full apps. From database to UI, developers are shifting from coding to directing AI systems.
Third, edge runtimes like Cloudflare Workers and Deno are growing fast. Apps run closer to users, giving much faster performance. If you're a developer looking for unparalleled speed and flexibility, you have to check out Cloudflare Workers. The link is right here.
Fourth, AI-powered CMS is trending. Content, schema, and even UI can now be generated automatically using AI.
Fifth, security is critical now. Dynamic APIs need strong RBAC, validation, and rate limiting to present attacks. OWASP
Absolutely must prioritize these risks. The OWASP Top 10 isn't just a checklist, it's a framework for securing your entire application lifecycle.
Follow for daily web dev updates and smarter developer insights.